A federal judge says he wants more information before he will allow a former Miles City athletic trainer accused of sexually abusing dozens of boys to plead guilty to federal charges.
James Doc Jensen was scheduled to admit to charges of coercion and enticement of a minor in federal court this morning. Judge Timothy Cavan continued the hearing, though, saying he needed more proof from the government that Jensen was in fact guilty of the crime.
Of course, no cameras are allowed inside the Billings federal courtrooms, but our Samantha Sullivan was there.
And Sammy, what does the judge want to see?
Well, to be guilty of the charge, the prosecution has to show that Jensen used a means of interstate commerce to persuade or coerce a minor to engage in sexual activity. In basic terms, that means Jensen used the internet to convince the boys to take part in his program. Court documents state Jensen used the program to sexually molest young athletes under the promise of increased athletic performance. All parties agreed that the internet can be classified as use of interstate commerce, but Judge Cavan says the government did not have proof in their filings that Jensen used the internet to directly contact minors. Instead, it was the prosecutor's position that the statute was satisfied because Jensen used the internet to research the program that he then used to entice the boys. The judge did not agree, saying he needed more proof before the hearings could proceed. The prosecution will be given another week to compile more evidence, and the hearing will continue to next Tuesday.